Hey guys, welcome to Diecast YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you this awesome casting by MiniGT. This is Honda Civic Type R. This is one of the millionth color variation of Honda Civic casting. Actually, they have done quite few out of this casting, and they're still doing. So I've collected like uh, as much as I can because. These ones are not cheap and not expensive as well. This is not expensive like Tomica Limited Vintage, but it's around 15 bucks Australian dollars. So yeah, now only I'm gonna open this one. I got the blue color variation, black, white, all the race variations, all sort of stuff. So one day I will do my whole collection, but today I just wanted to open this one. Let's see, where's my, and sorry about the background because I'm doing a custom project at the moment. This one. All right, let's open these. Right, beauty. All right, let's check the box. So this is typical Mini GT box. You can see Honda Civic Type R, Time Attack 2018, TSM model, scale miniature, number 24. Mini GT scale 1:64 here as well. Civic Type R logo. Edge 14 plus collector model, true scale miniatures, Hong Kong, China. Cool casting. So in here you can see all the licensing, TSA model, Honda logo. This their Facebook and Twitter logos. All right, let's open this one. Oh, this is a beautiful casting. It comes with this sort of a plastic base. Wow. Well, there are no opening parts, but still see all the details. Wow. It's beautiful casting. All right, let's check the it's metal. So it says made in China, Mini GT, and you have all the details on the base as well. And on inside you have the Type R time challenge. This is there. Here's a, if you closely check, here's a, what do you call, logo. So time challenge logo, and there's a bit of racing decals out here, and wheels rolling pretty well, no issues at all. This side similar. There's a small issue with the tire. I'll adjust that. There we go. It's all good. Yeah, I think I just need to move the tire a bit. Yeah, done and dusted. And here's the back side. Here's the rear. So here's the rear. So you can see Type R logo, exhaust, Honda Civic logo as well. So, and this is a left hand version, and if you can closely check these side mirrors, they are made out of rubber. That's cool. Yeah. All right, that's it guys. So this is not a new one. This is like, they have released this one in last year, those way back. So yeah, I'll take few photos of this casting and upload it on my Instagram page. Please follow my Instagram page, Diecast Beast. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please hit like and subscribe button down here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you with another video soon. Bye.